it sounds like you've got something on your mind.
Yeah, I do. Well, I mean, if you think about it, nobody wants to be done at Christmas. They're like, yeah, Christmas is over, but do we have to stop? Like,
right.
The songs kind of linger. You want to leave your tree up until February. Like,
Yep.
People aren't ready to move on.
No, exactly.
So this is a great way to extend it just a little bit longer, give it some purpose, but then have a ceremonial way to transition.
Graduate the Christmas tree.
Yes, that is a thought we had too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a whole bunch of stuff. And the cool thing is like everything, because so what did we do today? We got, everybody got their socks, their underwear, all that fun stuff that you're not going to enjoy opening on Christmas anyway. Gloves. But then we also did pears. So we did homonyms and homophones and homonyms. So pears and pears, right? So we had pears and cottage cheese.
Yeah.
And so everything was pairs. So we had pairs of socks, pairs of shoes, and so we did homonyms, homophones, and then we started doing puns because puns use homonyms.
Yes.
And sometimes homophones.
Well, and our kids are way too ridiculously good at their puns and jokes.
Right.
So
right.
It was a day of silliness, which is fine. It's appropriate to do it the day after Christmas. So.
Dad jokes galore,
yes.
guys. It's so much fun.
If you know us at all, that's
Yes.
our kids.
Yeah, that's
all the time.
Especially Betty's getting into them. So Charlotte doesn't quite understand them yet.
We'll get there.
She's still in that silly phase.
Well, and Henry tries his hardest, poor thing.
Yeah.
He tries so hard. He's 4, so he's in the stage where everything is trying to be funny,
yes.
but he's way too literal.
Yes. So it's just things kind of fall flat. Yeah.
You're like, oh, that was funny.
That was funny. But William's really good at them though. I mean, he's 11 now, so he's gonna be. But at the same time, like it's solid. Anyway, we're gonna be talking more about Christmas and our Christmas traditions. So anyway, 12 Days of Christmas is a tradition that's kind of been in our home for a little while. We've kind of been on and off with it, and quite frankly, if you can get 4 to the 6, I dare anybody to finish all 12 days every day at a time. Like nobody ever does that, right?
Challenge accepted. Okay,
right.
It will happen this year.
Yeah, you do like 1 through 3, and then you do 5 and 7.
Well, just think ahead for a second. 3 is easy because
Yes.
you're like French hens. Okay,
Yep.
you can either go the chicken style, or you can go French and do French fries, French toast.
Oh yeah,
and
yeah.
William was like, "What are those little sandwiches? They're not hamburgers.
Oh,
They're
sliders?
No." He's like, "They're sweet, like cookies." And I'm like, "Macaroons?" And he's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Oh, okay.
okay.
Apparently we need to do macaroons."
So there's a whole bunch of fun. If you're a homeschool family, you know you're a homeschool family because you're like 3 French hens. Okay, everything's French, right? Like let's just everything.
It becomes a unit study for
Yes.
everything, which is totally fine. And you can make exceptions to everything.